Morning guys, March 19th, 2024. I got a call from a lady. She got a leak under her kitchen sink. She thinks it's coming from the faucet underneath the shut off underneath the sink. Her husband tried to put a container under. He thinks it's coming from there. A lot of times it comes from the faucet and it drips down the hose, right? Or it'll be leaking up top somewhere and then, you know, running down the hose, and they think it's coming from the shut off, but it's coming from up top. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it for the lady. I guess I worked for her before or something. We'll go give it a shot. So it don't happen all the time.
No, it's like you can, yeah.
You can see it dripping right there. Oh yeah, you could definitely see it dripping when I see how I turn it on, it drips more.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes there's a packing nut there, I could just tighten that and it might be okay. If not, we gotta change it. There we go. What was probably happening before was when you run the dishwasher, it was vibrating enough. Just to, yeah, there's a packing nut there, see that?
Yeah.
I was able to just tighten that.
I'm surprised. Well, I mean, my husband played around. At first we thought it was the thing on the right leaking because...
The nut?
Oh, no, I mean the drain.
See, by you moving it.
We think it was kind of yucky, and we cleaned it and cleaned out the trap and all that stuff. But then we found out it was right there. And I found my husband. I was gone, and he worked on it and said, I just can't get this stuff. But I'm glad it's simple. Yeah, because I'm like, if we had to replace, I guess it would just be that whole little section.
Well, I could just change the valve if I had to, but yeah. if we get it so it doesn't leak, why change it?
Right, I agree.
Right?
I agree, since you're close and I can just...
Yeah, it was definitely, she definitely was loose. She was loose. Alright, so that was an easy one. Easy's good, right?
Yeah, I mean you can see over time with
the stuff's all
crusty. But you know, at some point,
all crusty.
It runs out, you know, the treatment, and so by the time we get it treated, we get some of that corrosion. Yeah.
What do you got? Oh, you got a water softener.
Yeah, we do, because we have acidic water. Yeah. Yeah.
The heating system's been okay, no problems.
Yeah, we haven't had any trouble with the heat. You know, we had to have the water.
We had to change it, remember? Brand new system.
Oh, I know.
That was a couple of years ago.
When we need, but yeah.
Alright, no more leaks. I should have put a date on it.
Was it COVID year? No, 2021. I think it was 2021 because I was gone like the whole year.
12/21. Wow.
Right. I think he had Thanksgiving here, and then right after that, boom. But I mean, yeah, my brother, I got all this, sorry, we always had too much stuff anyway, but then my brother-in-law died.
Morning guys, it is March 19, 2024. Here I got a call from a guy, he's got a couple oil burners that he services himself. And he's got one of them, two of them that keep tripping out and he can't figure out what the problem is. We'll go by there and see if we can help out this cat. One of these guys that follows me, does the work himself, I guess. So we'll figure it out, see if we can figure out why it's tripping and make some adjustments on it and see what's going on with it. It's not always easy, Mama. You got down there, Miss Molly. You got your little... That sweater fits you good. Definitely fits you well. Flipping snots from hell. Yeah, I would definitely not put oil in it.
Alright, that'll be its last time.
Wow. Like I said, as long as if I'm getting a flow
right
at the burners,
yep.
then I could, you know, work on the burners, but I'm not touching the tanks.